Yeah, boy. Get it out of here, Tommy. Tommy is here. A big one, boy. And I can Gigi, why are you hiding now? I'm always sleeping. This DJ. Money King. Master. Yes. Thank you, Anambra State. Thank you, Oba. Thank you, Nigeria. We move.
Obi Cubana is a renowned Nigerian businessman, entertainer, show promoter, and the CEO of Cubana Group. He describes himself as God's favorite son. He was born on the 12th of April 1975, and he is currently 46 years old as of the year 2021. He is a serial entrepreneur and he is extremely rich. Obi Cubana is one of those Igbo men in Nigeria whose wealth is so enormous and can be said to be unbelievable. As of the time of compiling this my video, he has an estimated net worth of over $500 million as of the year 2021. Obinna Iyebo, best known as Obi Cubana, is from Oba, a community in Idemili South local government area in Anambra State, Nigeria. Obi Cubana is the chairman of Cubana Group. Obi Cubana is so rich but extremely humble that you will never know that he wants what he wants. And on today's video, I am going to take you on a tour inside his private jet, because lots of people never knew that Obi Cubana is a proud owner of a private jet.
So tonight we're coming for Bang Bang, Lagos. Are you there? Yeah, where are my guys? Where are my guys? Where are my guys tonight in Lagos? Where are my guys tonight? Where are my guys tonight? Let's celebrate about to Lagos. So we have to go back to do Bang Bang Tuesday. And that's from about to Lagos. Lots. We're gonna bang tonight.
Our new passenger.
Welcome you.
Welcome. We're going how to Air Cubana.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
How are you welcoming me?
I'm bored.
That's all, Louis. Come on.
Louis 13.
Come on. Throw something. Cheers to life, all of us. That's what you're representing over there.
So yeah, we have a man. What up, man?
Who would have thought that Obi Cubana owns a private jet? I just love his humility and his simplest way of living his life. Wow, what do you think about the interior of the private jet? Share, it is so beautiful.
So that we say, go to see them. Trying to see my mom.
Obi Cubana speaking on questions over his wealth. He said, I want to state this clearly. I am not the talking type or social media interest-free person. Many have questioned the type of voice and friends that I have. To me, I hardly address anyone as my boy because we are all boys to God Almighty. I don't have any boy who is into rituals. If you are my boy or my man, because I like to address my boys as my men, it means you are working hard and you made your money in a clean way. In the year 2013, I pushed 53 uneducated Oba boys into the market to learn trading. In the year 2017, I withdrew all of them from their ogas and settled all of them with 3 million naira each and paid for their shops. I linked 40 of them into importation and made them use my name and platform to import goods into the country. After 2 years, I checked on them, how they were doing, and find out some had issues, and I supported them again to stand. I am happy today that out of the 53 men, 38 are billionaires, while the rest are in the level of a millionaire. Also, in the year 2018, I took 100 educated men out of the streets and introduced them to the white man for businesses, and today they are all billionaires in dollars. They also helped in their capacity when I required their help. All their friends, both Nigerian and outside, patronize me. I am into hotel and club businesses, and I have so many businesses. I am a brand ambassador too. I have alliance with Spirit Drinks and Wine. I am a brand to many businesses in the world. It gives me joy to see my men do well. None of my hotel managers in Nigeria can smell poverty. I encourage them to raise orders by their local communities. I have never sacked a worker due to misconduct. I bring you in and speak to you the way you will understand. I have this understanding that we should allow the stubborn people to exist and cool-headed people to coexist, and we make use of them when their needs arises. I don't believe in the supremacy of power. Rather, I believe in the fair share of power and authority and allow everybody to feel belongs. Speaking on the circulating gist, he said, yes, I will gift 1 million to 300 Oba boys to start up business and link them up to make it. I have a lot of friends and associates, and we are like brothers to each other. We love and encourage one another in good and bad, as you have seen in my case that all of them came massively to support me. Criticism is normal, and there are they to say what they want to say, but when you are doing the right thing, you don't listen to what people say. If I have my way, I will also help those criticizing me. A lot of non-Obas will still benefit from me because I am still in the business of making people great. Of course, he said, Cubana Chief Priest is my man and he is a jolly fellow. People mistake him for me. I am Obi Cubana. He is my chief priest. I hope you understand it now. I am not into politics and I don't have interest in it till tomorrow. I respect those in politics because they carry power. Laughing out loud. And he said that his advice is that they should identify talents and make them great. Don't have fear of who betrays you tomorrow. Just make men and move. If they remember, good. If they don't remember, be happy that they made it through you. I didn't even ask my boys or men for donations or help. I didn't even ask my friends to help me for donation. They did that on their own and I appreciate their effort. Gradually, Allah Igbo Gadema, that means the land of Igbo will be good. Now, let's have a tour into the White House of Obi Cubana.
Come on, people, send him text.
Let it work. Just a play.
Just a play.
Hola, Fukuza. Hola, Fukuza. Daleko. The play network. Welcome on. 1, 2, 3. Iwawaka. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. TTB. It has to be. I see you downstairs right in a bit. Come down. And everything. No, they have playing network. You see, that's what I keep saying about. They are my brother and friend. And then for one day we have never had a competition. We have always had a collaboration. I'm telling you, because the sky is waiting. As a day, look at them here. This is the first set of human beings coming in this mansion to pay women and to pay last respect to mommy. Yes. Because we've left up and they wanted to invade us here.
They tell you
have to run. Welcome.
Welcome to White House. Because this is, our own small, we still have some in the car, everything could enter. Everything could enter. Hey!
One level!
Hey!
Everything. Thank you, man.
No one. So do the car. Mad.
That's good. No.
He won't see himself now. When he comes around.
If you basically watched this video to this extent, I appreciate it so much. And please do me another favor by clicking on the red icon down below to subscribe to my channel, and do not fail to turn on the notification bell for another celebrity news update. And as you're watching this particular video, after Obi Cubana arrived from Oba back to Abuja, he moved from Abuja to Lagos, and now he has jetted out again with his wife for an holiday. And that is it on today's update, and I will bring you more updates about Obi Cubana, the man of the moment. Bye bye.